Hello friends, today we will discuss about how to draw the Rankine cycle. So first of all, components of the Rankine cycle. In Rankine cycle, mainly four components are there, and first component is boiler, and second component is turbine, and third component condenser, and fourth component is pump. This is turbine, this is condenser, this is pump. In boiler, water is converted into steam by addition of some heat. So now in boiler, water is converted into steam where the pressure is high and temperature is also high because heat is added. So that's why temperature will be increases. And now the steam will be goes towards to the turbine, and in turbine expansion, steam will be expanded. So pressure decreases and temperature is constant where pressure is constant, and this expansion steam moves towards to the condenser, and in this condenser temperature will be decreases. This condenser is heat is converted into cool, and this condenser water is moves towards the pump, and this pump compress the water. Compress the water with the high pressure. High pressure temperature decreases. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now in this 1 to 2 process, is constant pressure, heat addition process. And 2 to 3 is isentropic turbine expands the steam. So isentropic expansion. And 3 to 4 constant pressure, heat rejection. In condenser heat will be rejected, so heat rejection. And 4 to 1 process, isentropic compression. In pump water will be compressed. So this is in shortcut how we will write. In shortcut PS constant pressure heat addition, isentropic expansion, constant pressure heat rejection, isentropic compression. And now, how to draw the TS diagram by using the Rankine cycle. So first, y-axis, x-axis. In y-axis, temperature, x-axis, S, entropy. So first of all, we need to draw the saturated liquid line and saturated vapor line. And now, in second point, this will be indicated there, and 1 to 2 is constant pressure heat addition, and 2 to 3 is isentropic expansion. Is entropy isentropic, entropy is constant, so straight line. Isentropic expansion and constant pressure heat rejection. This is constant pressure heat rejection, and pump, considering the pump work, and pump work isentropic compression. So this is pump work, and this will be moved to this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, this is not, and this is a constant pressure heat addition, isentropic expansion, constant pressure heat rejection. This is isentropic compression. By considering pump work. And now, without considering the pump work, how will be the Rankine cycle? I will show. Saturated liquid line, saturated vapor line, and 1 to 2 is constant pressure heat addition, isentropic expansion, next constant pressure heat rejection. Neglecting the pump work means this is not come and straight move to the saturated liquid line. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is without considering the pump work, neglecting the pump work. And now efficiency of the Rankine cycle is neta. Efficiency of the Rankine cycle. Beta equal to net work done by heat addition, where net work done is turbine work minus pump work by heat addition, or heat addition minus heat reaction by heat addition, considering the work. And now neglecting the pump work. Neat efficiency equal to turbine work by heat addition. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Please subscribe and share.